Continuing with our short videos on how to use applications for distance learning, our next one is creating a video lesson in Edpuzzle. So in our Edpuzzle homepage, as you can see, I'm now logged in, and if I click on myself, you can see all of the things here. That's who I am, my name, our school, La Escuela de Lancaster. We're a pro school, which means we have unlimited storage, we have unlimited access. They recognize us, and by clicking back on here, that'll close. I've synced my class to the Google Classroom, so my two classes that I am teaching currently, IB Social and Cultural Anthropology with the Google Classroom icon, are here, as well as my Theory of Knowledge class. And if I click on students, you can see that my students' names are listed here. They haven't been added to Edpuzzle. They're only on Google Classroom, but they are now synced. The same with IB Social and Cultural Anthropology. These students have not been added into this program, but I could do that if I wanted to. I have not yet done that. So going back to the Edpuzzle homepage where I'm logged in, and on the left-hand side, we have a content bar with home, curriculum, Lancaster, and my content. If you want to choose videos from a particular curriculum, you can do this. It's all set up for you based on the years. And if we go to high school, obviously this is an American program, it gives you all different areas where videos have already been loaded. If you're a math teacher, for example, and you click here, you can see what videos have been arranged by what subject, all the way through the curriculum. That's our curriculum tab. But I'm going to go to my content, and these are videos that I've now selected to be used. And for my IB Theory of Knowledge class, I've chosen a video on the history of art. And here, this is a video that's already contains 10 questions and notes. So if I click on that, you can see at what point in the video the questions are loaded. And there are it tells you what type of questions are there too: multiple choice, etc. Now, if I were watching this video and it was a video with no questions in it, I can choose the function of edit. And as I'm editing here, I have three choices. I can either cut the video, add a voiceover, or add questions. And what type of questions can I add? I'm going to go back and show you this again, that I've chosen a video from my content. It's a video that I selected. I searched for it, I've watched it, and I'm putting it up here now. I've chosen it, and now here on the right hand side I want to edit it. And as you're watching a video, you can add questions. You play it and you add a question. And the types of questions we can ask are, we can ask multiple choice questions. You type in the multiple choice question, why, for example, why ask questions, right? And then that becomes a question at the beginning of the video. I'm adding it there. And then you can add your choices, your multiple choice answers. And then you can add another question. Create 3 or 4 questions, and then you click on the checkbox to tell what the right answer is. Okay, so you can add those types of questions, multiple choice questions. I'm going to cancel this. You can also ask open-ended questions, which will require a response from your students. And that the question that I just asked, why ask questions, if I save that, it will become a question on the video, and it's right here now, right at the beginning of the video. I can also add a note. I can click on the microphone and add a voice note to my students, or I can type answer the question in 5 to 7 sentences, for example. Now that becomes a note to this part of the editing, adding questions to your videos. Now you can take a video that already has questions embedded in it, which is quite nice. watch it, review it, and your students can see those and answer those questions. I'm clicking finish here, and you can see that now I am the owner of this video, owner in quotation marks, and I've added an open-ended question here right at the beginning and kept all the multiple choice answers.